So prior to RecoverWell, my first couple of months was a learning experience, of course. A lot of it was cold calling places, asking questions, and a lot of times, to be honest, wasting time.
I didn't know what to do with these patients. I'd give them a piece of paper and say, call this number. And I just would come home, again, not wanting to go back to work because I felt useless in a way.
But after RecoverWell, once I kind of hit that wall, I realized, you know what, let me just put their information in here. Let's see who's willing to, or who has availability for this patient, or what would be a good fit. A lot of times with RecoverWell, as it's kind of growing, I've noticed too that there are more and more placements that are being added.
It makes me want to go to work. I mean, I love going to work knowing that I can help a person. The moment I put them in, the moment they say they're ready for this, and we do the quick assessment, I find them a program, and right away, I mean, I get calls like, hey, you know, we want to assess this patient. We want to help them. And I'm blessed to say I could walk this person to a car and put them in there and know that they're going to that program and getting the help they need.
It's really, the part that I love the most is when they text you, because I'm walking around the hospital all day. I don't have time to sit at my computer and wait for someone to respond to me. But when I get that text and I see that there is a response, then I can go ahead and check and, you know, let the patient know that we found a place for them.
It was deemed impossible to get a patient straight from the ED to a program. But I'm showing people in the ED that actually we can find something for them. Give me an hour, give me 30 minutes. Let me make this, you know, let me put this in and wait for a call, and I'm sure I'll get it. Wait for a message on the platform. Right away, when I hit apply, I'll have someone messaging me, working on this right away. And it just makes me, my stress goes from here to here, and then once I put them in the car, or however they get there, I'm just like, I can breathe again, and I'm ready to help the next patient.
The thing about RecoverWell, I think that's the most beneficial, not only with placement, is that it gives hope for those patients who feel like there isn't a place for them. RecoverWell has always been able to find a place for every patient that I have.
So RecoverWell is fast, it's effective, but it gets results. Plain and simple. Anytime you have results, you feel good. That patient gets the help they need. They feel good. It's a life changer. It saves lives. I love it. So thank you for making my life easier.